Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can use widgets to customize our Android lock screen. Let's get started. If we want to use widgets, we can tap and hold on any empty area of our home screen, and the screen will look like this, and we can click on widgets since we want to use widgets, and we can search for the widgets that we want, and we can slide our screen like this to find the widgets that we want. And for me, I'm gonna go with weather. So I'm just going to tap on weather. Then we can select the style of the weather that we like, and I'm going to choose this one. And after that, we can click on add right here. And wait guys. All right, and after that, we have to select the location, and I'm gonna go with this one. And after that, the widget will appear on our home screen or lock screen like this. And if we want to add another widget, we can simply repeat the step that I have explained to you, and we can also move this widget by tapping and holding on the widget like this. And I'm going to move the widget right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can use widgets on Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.